Rub turmeric and a few drops of this oil on your face, on your skin, and you see those wrinkles diminishing gradually until you see them no more. This is highly effective natural treatment to get rid of those signs of aging, fine lines, wrinkles, eye bags, saggy jaw, any kind of signs of aging you have. Just try this remedy and you will never regret it. You're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome. I share beauty treatment using natural ingredients you can find at home to make your skin to look better, to make your skin to look younger, to firm your skin, to make your skin supple and glowing. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips and health tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified. And come and watch. And also, do not forget to share this video because it will help a lot. And for those that want to purchase my products, I want to assure you that the ingredients are purely natural. There is no side effect in those products. You can see them. You can contact through that WhatsApp for anyone you want for different skin types and complexion. We don't sell bleaching products. Okay, we'll give you the one that will match your skin. It's just for you to be sincere and we'll give you the right one. All right, so let's go into this remedy today. So like I said earlier, these are natural ingredients. I'll be listing the ingredients one after the other. Okay, if you don't have the ingredients, you have to go to the store, go to the supermarket. You can just get from a nearby store, add them together and use it. So always get this, keep it at home because you will need it one day. So, and these treatments are something that will enable your skincare products to work better because this particular one is a facial mask. Okay, I also have some facial scrub, the one I shared yesterday. You can go to my videos, you will see so many that will help you. So the first ingredient I made use of in this treatment is cornstarch. Cornstarch is a very powerful anti-aging ingredient that helps greatly to firm the skin. It tightens large open pores and make it smaller. It prevents acne. It also helps to minimize so much oil production on your skin and making it to have a flawless looking skin. So cornstarch will help to minimize wrinkles. Like if you apply it on your skin, you will notice a tightening effect. You know, with consistency, you see those wrinkles minimizing gradually until they're all gone. So the next one you have to get is turmeric. Turmeric powder is an antioxidant that helps greatly to fight signs of aging. It fights free radical damage that makes you always age faster, that makes your skin always look dull and flaky. So if you have blemishes, turmeric will help you greatly. If you have pigmentation, if you have sunburn, if you have dark under eye circle, if you have any kind of skin problems, like turmeric is a repairing ingredient that when you add it into your facial mask or scrub, you will love it. If you also have some products that contains turmeric, you will see that your skin will look more refined. It glows the skin a lot. And one thing I should let you know is that turmeric brightens the skin. So if you have a dark skin, you just add a little. For those that want to just glow their skin, add a little. It brightens. So if you want it to lighten you so much, all you have to do is just to increase the quantity of turmeric. So there's one remedy I shared in the past where I added turmeric to form a treatment that when you apply it on your hand and your leg, it gets rid of dark looking hands, and you know, it just helps to exfoliate and brighten your legs and your hands. So it's a very powerful ingredient that corrects your skin. For those that have their face darker than the body, or if your body skin is darker than the facial skin, so just mix and apply all over. It makes your skin uniform. So the next one is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel helps greatly to hydrate your skin. It gets rid of dry skin. It soothes irritated skin, which means it's very good for sensitive skin person. So in case your skin is fragile, so thin, you know, sensitive, please try to get aloe vera. Your skin will be good with it. Okay, so aloe vera gel also helps to minimize wrinkles. Like it helps to build the skin layer, penetrating through the skin, like helping to make your skin rejuvenated, build the elasticity of the skin, and making it to look more younger and having a supple, vibrant skin. So try to get aloe vera gel. and you will love it. In case you are getting aloe vera gel, you can get any brand. There's no specific brand. All you have to do is just to be, read it through and check how many percentage. Like this particular one is 99% of aloe vera gel. There's some that is 100%, so I don't want to mention the names. All you have to do is just to read it through. So in case you want to be very 100% sure, you can get your natural plants from the garden or from the farm and use it. So just get the ingredients set. And one other one is this egg. So we're going to make use of egg whites. Egg whites of the egg is actually mainly for wrinkles, like that stretchy liquid, that transparent stretchy liquid of a raw egg. Open it and you see that liquid, that is the egg white. There is also another one which is the egg yolk. You see one that is yellow, that is the yolk. This is for those that don't know, okay? So egg yolk is mainly to moisturize your skin. For those that have dry skin and you want to glow your skin, you can use it. But the egg white is mainly to tighten the skin, especially if you have loose, saggy skin. It helps. But you can also mix the two together into the treatment. We're going to make use of only the egg whites. So we have the last ingredient here, which is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is one ingredient which I love so much. Like, it helps greatly to fight signs of aging, full of antioxidant. Vitamin E is very powerful at getting rid of saggy skin, but you have to be consistent. And it's a very penetrating oil, very lightweight, that it will not clog your pores. If you don't have vitamin E oil, you can make use of rosehip oil, you can make use of sunflower oil, you can make use of argan oil. These are light oils, okay? Like any skin type can make use of it. Also almond oil, but almond oil is mainly for those that have dry skin. If you have an oily skin, it can be somehow heavy for you. So get vitamin E oil, and I'm going to tell you the measurements, the proper way to mix, so that you get perfect result. So what I did, I made this of 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Remember, if you are a dark skin person, you can just reduce the quantity of the turmeric mainly. Then I added 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So in case you don't have cornstarch, you can make use of either rice powder or oat powder. So they all firm the skin and exfoliate the skin greatly. Then I broke the egg open. I separated my egg white from the egg yolk. I made use of egg white only. I added in here. I have an oily skin, but in case you need egg yolk, you can decide to add everything. So for the vitamin E oil, I just added some few drops. Let me show you, though I've added it, but let me just show you what I did. Your vitamin E oil can come in any bottle or any container. So this is just mine, okay? Just add few drops, like about 5 to 6, or you can just like reduce the quantity if you want. So you have to mix together. I don't have my brush right here, meaning that I'm going to use my hand to apply on my face. So after mixing together and everything is in a paste that it should be, not thick and not watery. If it's thick, please use rose water. Add rose water, use it to form a thick paste, not watery and not thick. Okay, rose water also benefits the skin greatly. It glows the skin, it makes the skin look more like a baby skin. All right, so I've washed off my makeup. I don't have makeup on my face. Just ensure that your face is clean, out of dirt. Then you go on and apply these treatments all over your skin. So I didn't mention that these treatments will get rid of dark spots. It gets rid of dark spots greatly by fading them away until you don't have those dark spots anymore. It works. Okay, just mix and apply. As you apply, you can scrub gently. So for those that don't want the smell of egg, or don't want to apply egg on their face, I want to let you know that egg does not smell. Okay, depend on how you want to use it. If you mix egg, raw egg in your facial treatment or your skin treatment, it will not have a smell. But even if you have a smell, it's for good. It's just temporary. Just apply it all over under your eye to get rid of dark under eye circle. If you have sunburn, please just take it like this, apply it like this on those sunburn and leave it there. Alright, so after applying this treatment, then you have to leave it on for 15 minutes or longer. It's very mild. Okay, do not be afraid that no, it's very mild for all skin types. So you can apply this treatment all over your body if you want. I'll leave it on for the right time, wash it out, then I'll come back and tell you the next thing to do. So when you wash it out, you notice that you just fall in love with your skin. Like if you are the type that have dark under eye circle, just apply this treatment, especially the turmeric. It helps to fade dark under eye circle a lot. For those that have wrinkles, with time you notice that your skin will plump, will look supple, will look more younger. Okay, just make use of this treatment, be consistent with it, you never regret it. So after rinsing it out, you have to apply a light moisturizer. If you have a good product, skincare product for your face, apply. If you don't have, you can apply vitamin E oil. Okay, vitamin E oil is very good. Let me just apply it. When I wash out the remedy, I love it wet so that my skincare products will penetrate into the skin. Like, just leave your skin damp. Do not remove all the water from your face after washing it off. Oh, I love these treatments. Like, you see that naturally your skin will just brighten, your skin will just look so fresh. You can apply it on your hands to make your hand and your body to be uniform. Yeah, if you have the time, please be consistent. You will surely love the result and you will never regret it. All right, so use this treatment 3 times weekly or every day if you want. It's very safe, very natural, no side effects, and your skin will thank you later. You will love the benefits of this treatment because it works. So add some few drops of this oil with turmeric, of course with other ingredients, and you will love the results. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.